Hi everyone. When I got a chance to speak at this event, I grabbed it with both my hands because I realized that the audience, that is you all students, are among the most privileged students in India. Your parents are among the most successful people in India and in top 1% here in this country. With that background, I propose a career framework for the most ambitious among you. You see, I did not talk about your field of interest or your field of study. It's just about being extraordinarily ambitious. And who can be the ripe candidate for ambition than those who are beyond the fear of financial failure? When my father was in school, getting a government job was the only way to ensure a stable life for most people. And he was successful. He got a job in State Bank of India with a very, very huge salary of 400 rupees per month. You see, you can only be sure that the government will continue to pay you, did not fire you, and will have money to pay you continuously. But when I went to school, the things changed and we had more options open up. An engineering degree with MBA was a much better option to ensure a life of luxury. And at that point of time, people started looking at future, and my peers were able to create a future for this generation. Today, entrepreneurship can be pursued without much downside and unlimited upside. Because we, the children of the government servants, mostly of us, the middle class, we could rise to these because our parents ensured financial stability. Our peers have done the work so that today you can aspire to be an entrepreneur. And what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is creating a solution with your passion and expertise, which a lot more people would love to pay for. And as young students, what can you do to start on this journey? I have founded companies and I've worked with some of the top entrepreneurs across the world. And I have discovered certain traits that are among the top ones that can help you leap forward in this journey. And I'll share those 5 steps with you today. The first is be curious, unapologetically curious. As we grow up, we lose this curiosity to the sense of either shame, guilt, or all-knowing confidence. Curiosity is important to be nurtured because the world would be a sad place if we stop wondering how things work. Second, be likable. Nothing that is built of value can be done alone. Even when you see an all-powerful hero or a leader doing this, there's a huge team which is working behind them. And how can you motivate a team to work behind you if they do not respect you or like you? Don't be a bad person. Third, start building now. Learn to code or learn no-code tools. Learn about AI. Build small projects because these small projects will add immense value to your future growth. Some of the world's biggest companies like Facebook, Microsoft, Google, all started as small personal projects of ignited people. Fourth, don't give up. It's hard and you will fail. There's a saying that the masters have failed more times than the student has even tried. Almost everything that has been created, which is of value, has been done by someone who pushed beyond what felt like a good time to give up. So continue to push. This will be the most hard part and the most important part of your journey towards entrepreneurial success. And the last thing which I'm going to share, which a lot of you might not like, is to get in a good college. It's not cool to say this these days because we are all, everybody is good kind of environment. But getting in good college is very important because your future collaborators, your co-founders, your clients, your team members will come from this pool. And if this is the pool which will define your future, why not to aim for the best? All the best to all of you. Thank you.